Larga! Fast to begin, we've got James Win Differency down on the inside is a Dwayne, then followed over by Suerte Lang. Next in line is On Your Knees, Don't Explain, then followed over by Lucky Dream. Racing second last, we have Guapo Po and Dare to Dream. As they swing down the back, now we've got two runners are firing it out for the lead. Moving up on the inside is a Dwayne. Racing on the outside is a James. We've got Dwayne, followed by James. One horse about 3 wide also is that Windy Firenze. Suerte Lang is running in fourth. Lucky Dream now trying to get closer and starting to put big strides now. On Your Knees is racing in sixth, then followed over by Don't Explain, who's fading out. Then Dare to Dream now moving upon the outside, and Guapo Po now running at the tail of the field. Now we have the complexion of the race has been changed. We've got a new leader, that's Suerte Lang. At the middle, we have Suerte Lang. Down on the inside is a Dwayne. Lucky Dream racing in third. And down the stretch they come. A long shot. Dwayne by about 2 lengths. And in second is a Suerte Lang. And finally, it's Dwayne. Suerte Lang, Lucky Dream, James, Dare to Dream, Win Differency,